Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to integrate Google Sheets and Clickup. If you're someone who wants to streamline your workflow and save time by automating tasks between Google Sheets and Clickup, you're in the right place. This integration will help you create and update tasks seamlessly using a tool called Zapier, which acts as a bridge between these powerful applications. Let's get started on making your work life more efficient. To begin, open up Zapier in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard, which is the central hub where all the magic happens. Here you can see your existing workflows, or as Zapier calls them, Zaps. Our first objective is to create a new Zap, which is essentially a workflow that connects two apps to perform a series of automated tasks. To initiate this process, locate the Create button and click on it. Once you click Create, you will be guided to the Zaps section. This is where you can build your bespoke workflow tailored to your specific needs. The first step in crafting your Zap is selecting a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates the Zap. Click on the Trigger button, and in the search bar, type Clickup. As you begin typing, Clickup will appear as a selectable option, and you should choose it. Next, you'll be prompted to pick a trigger event from a list of potential events. This is where you decide what specific action in Clickup will start the automation. For example, you might select New Task Created if you want the Zap to activate whenever a new task is added in Clickup. Once you've chosen your trigger event, you'll need to connect your Clickup account to Zapier. Click on Connect Clickup, and then follow any on-screen instructions to authorize the integration. Once your account is linked, click Continue. With Clickup connected, it's time to decide what data you want to pull from it. You'll encounter fields like Choose Value, where you can specify the particular space, folder, or worksheet you are targeting. When selecting these items, ensure that they align with how your team is organized in Clickup. Click on Choose Value and select the relevant space, or opt for No Folder if that's more suitable for your Zap setup. Having configured your trigger, it's time to set up an action. This is where Google Sheets becomes part of the equation. Click on Action and search for Google Sheets. Choose it as your action app and select an event, such as Create New Row, which will occur when a new task is generated in Clickup. Similar to before, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier by selecting Connect Google Sheets and then clicking Continue. Now specify which Google Drive and spreadsheet you'd like to use by clicking on Choose Value for each section. Select My Google Drive and pick the appropriate spreadsheet and worksheet to ensure smooth data flow. You're almost there. The final steps involve identifying the worksheet to which data should be copied. This ensures consistency across your data management. Once you've selected your worksheet and double-checked your setup, it's time to bring it to life. Click the Publish button to activate your Zap. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Sheets and Clickup using Zapier. Remember, automation is all about saving time and minimizing errors. So make the most of these seamless workflows to boost your productivity. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to integrate Google Sheets and Clickup. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel